Hello and welcome to Tieko Beauty, bringing you hair tips that you can use. I hope all of you loves are doing so great. So for today's hair tip, I am going to focus on how to achieve crimped hairstyle on kinky straight hair. I installed my sewn with straight back braid foundation using side to side pattern for the sewing. This extension is from my hairline, Tieko Beauty, and you can wear it straight, curly, or crimped. It's very versatile and it holds curls very, very well. I quickly just showed you how I'm sewing the hair. I'm sewing the hair in a side to side sewing pattern. So I won't talk too much for the sewing portion. I wanted to include the sewing part so that you can see how I sew in my hair. So after you're done with the sewing, when it comes to styling, I use Mizani's heat protectant and I use keracare styling spritz. It's really good. These two products are really good for your hair. After putting in these two products in your hair, you want to now crimp your leave out. So I used a more tighter crimper. I also got it from Sally's. And that's what I used to crimp my natural hair so that it could blend when I use my bigger crimper to crimp the rest of my hair. It was so cool to see the transition of my Kiki straight hair to the waves, or crimps. It was really cool. It was almost like a science project, to see how cool the hair changes its form. Okay, let me get back to this. Okay, so basically for the crimping, I used the iron crimper. It worked very well for my hair. You can get this crimper from Ali's beauty store. After you prep your hair with the heat protected and mild styling spritz, hold the crimper on the hair for 2 seconds, 1 to 2 seconds, and repeat down the hair shaft. So you're going to hold the crimper in place 1 to 2 seconds and then come down the hair and crimp it. I like to shake the crimper on the hair as you see because I kind of feel like it imprints the curl in the hair better. It's just my thing. You can try that. So you're going to just repeat the motion of the crimper down the hair over and over and over again until you're done. And then afterwards, you're going to use your hairspray and spray it all through the hair to hold the style. If you do it the way that I just told you, you can wear this style for about 1 to 2 days, maybe even 3, depending how you keep it. You know, this might be hard at first, but practice makes perfect. Take your time to watch this video and practice. You know, practicing is like self-confidence. You have to keep on working at it until you get to the level you want to be at. Don't let the negative thoughts stop you. Keep practicing. You will get it. All right, loves? I hope this video helped you out. Please like and subscribe for more hair tip videos like these.